Good morning everyone. Just thought we'd do a little vlog today. We're just gonna head down the Glen, which is like a big park, so we're taking the dog. Go see squirrels! We'll see you down there! Where are you going? We're going this way. Yeah.
Can we go that way?
What?
What's in that?
It's a cave looking thing. No, we're going this way, Chloe. Hurry up. Hello. We're now down the Glen. What are you doing? Okay, we're now down the Glen and we're just walking down this river bit. This is like my favourite place to go sometimes. My other favourite place is it Locker Meadows? It's called Locker Meadows. I'll show you the water. Wait. Doesn't look like it. Lola!
Oh! Did you get that?
What?
Did you get that?
Kind of and kind of not.
What? You think you like it?
There's also like a really big waterfall. I can't. Is it down this way? And then there's like this thing called the Witch's Hat. So we can show you that in a minute. One of the peacocks are out. Yes.
It's not that bit.
What?
They're in a cage.
Well, I know they're in a cage, but I want to see them.
Well, there's only one out yesterday, another time because they're pregnant.
Muddy and I'm wearing white shoes. Yeah, but yours are old.
They're not.
Yes, they are.
They're not.
They are so.
Oh.
You're going a bit fast.
It's no me.
The Lola's trying to chase the squirrels.
Maybe it is.
Ooh. Oh, definitely not standing in that. Well, the Witch's Hat, you'll be able to see it from...
It's over there.
What? No, that's not the big waterfalls. This way. Yeah, that's the medium one.
I can't see it. I can hear it.
Then we'll be able to see the Witch's Hat from over here. We'll go over to it as well. Hey,
What?
we'll go over to the Witch's Hat too.
Yeah.
There, it's up there. What? It does it. And there's like loads of squirrels up here, so Lola just keeps trying to chase them all. Now we're going across the wee bridge. I love this bit. The water's minging though. Like, look at it. The big waterfall's this way. Keep going. Just wait a minute. Where is she? You see the squirrels, Lola? I think she spied one. Where is it? Yes, squirrel. Chloe, watch, because you've made her lead like tight and now it's gonna get stuck. We're gonna find the squirrels. Yeah. This video's probably going to be a bit shaky, but...
Oh, there's a squirrel right down.
You ever walked up all these stairs, Chloe? Oh look, here's a squirrel coming. Lola, squirrel! Oh, I think the waterfall is this way. What?
There was one person in the water.
People's blocks like bits of the water.
Why?
What?
Why?
Stop it from falling.
Oh. What? Can you zoom in on your camera?
Lola. Lola, look.
You see squirrels?
Where are they? She's looking for them. I like walking through this bit. This is like one of my favourite bits. What are you doing?
Listen. I do that.
Sounds like gunshots. Look, it's Lola's vlog now.
Well, there's a squirrel.
Lola, squirrels!
Oh god.
Squirrels in the grass! Please don't pull me over.
Do you want me to take her?
See it?
Can you see them?
She sees it, I think. Where is it? Oh look, she's like good at pouncing them. Get him! Get him! Get squirrels! Busy! Get it! Go! Get it! Go! She's getting to pounce on it. Like a cat. There's one behind you. There's a squirrel behind you. Okay, squirrels then. Well, that's not like you.
There's a guy coming.
So,
He's quite scared of looking.
where's the squirrel gone? What's she doing? Where is it?
She's looking for him. They were on the grass but then they moved.
Get away from the mud.
Go on then.
Away from the mud.
What's there?
She's doing it again. Lola, you're lying on the mud.
Well, we want to go back on the bus.
Lola, you're stuck behind the tree.
What's that? It's squirrels. I like them.
Come on, this way. Come on, we'll go see squirrels this way.
Oh, there's one over there. I thought it was coming towards us, so I ran for it.
Lola, there's one this way.
Lola, look, there's one.
Come this way.
There's one there, look.
Yeah.
Lola,
Get
look.
it. Here. Lola.
There, look. She can't see it.
She sees it now. Look, Lola, you're pulling me on the mud.
I don't remember this park.
No, it's a new park.
Oh.
Well, they used to have a yellow chute, mind.
Oh, yeah. And like that, the red stuff is there down the net.
You knackered?
Should we put it in the bowl?
Yeah. Lola. Lola. Oh.
They're all gone.
I should really control how to work this properly. That one looks like it's got no head. Yeah, from where I'm filming it. So yeah, we just came across the peacocks. Now I think we're going to head for the bus and go home because there's nothing else to do apart from... What are you doing? Come on! So yeah, we're just going for the bus now, so we'll see you when we get home. I'm just giving Lola a quick haircut.
Hayley does know how to groom a dog, she's not just shaving Lola for the fun of it.
Don't try it on though.
Do not stretch you.
You get a Lola. Get.
This looks funny.
Hmm?
It looks funny.
You want to come back in here?
Go in the grass. Oh, go in the grass. Here, oh here it is.
What?
Hayley is cooking us dinner. And we're having spaghetti bolognese, but we're having pasta instead.
You need to get out.
Okay, get out. What cupboard is it in, this one? Oh yeah, here it is. But I don't, wait a minute, I don't know if there's already one open or not. No. Pasta! No, get it. And then we need sauce. The original. How's it looking? Not ready.
Definitely not.
This is Hayley's thing was a bit dead.
It's not dead.
And we're having garlic bread too.
I'm
Yep, yeah. Let's see Lola. Lola's so tired from her walk. No. Yeah. Oh. She's been snoring away for ages.
What we did later then?
Huh?
What we did later then?
What did you mean? What we're doing later?
What do you want to do later?
I want to play the Wii. And we can FaceTime Mum.
No, I just thought Mum would be FaceTime us. No,
I don't know. What time is it there?
no idea.
Well, it's like 5 here, so...
8.
Right, okay.
Wait.
No,
7.
7.
Do we now eat dinner? First attempt at making it, so yay. What are you doing, Lola? Are you silly?
Continually do feel that my videos and my content is going to get so much better once
We're
this
just
thing happens.
watching Alfie's new video, and then I'm going to head out with Lola again just for our nighttime walk in the park. And then what we're doing later, we're going to play Just Dance later, so
I just think
film
that's
a bit of
honestly
that.
going to be like the biggest game changer to like.
Say to our mom in Turkey. No, we're recording you, Mum.
You've been up the Glen.
Yeah, we've been vlogging all day too, so that's what we're doing.
Bailey, look.
She's sunburned. Look at that.
Ow.
Haley, I can't see Mum, I can only see you.
It is all.
Huh.
I can only
Should
see
wear some sun cream then.
Haley, I can only see your
Put
reflection.
some cream on. I think it's because I've been in the pool a lot, eh?
I feel like I've not vlogged in ages. It's now. What time? What's the time today? 8:20. We're waiting on Catherine coming, and I think Chloe's friends coming too. Yeah. We're just gonna play the Wii and go to bed. So I'll film that later. But yeah.
Come on, Haley, get out.
Oh, what you gonna do? I'm gonna fall over. I'm so dizzy. This is the end of this week's vlog, so we're just gonna head to bed and yeah, see you soon.